Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Can I see the back real quick?
Okay.
Yeah, man. It's pretty cool. You have an etched in logo of Lazer in your box.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good idea. There you go. So your amp rack's underneath of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hidden. And it doesn't get hot, which is good.
Yeah.
I can play all day and it won't get warm.
Very nice.
Thank you.
I like it. And it's at 1 ohm, not the amp's wired to 1 ohm from these two?
Yes.
Yep.
I believe it.
It's all good. You actually play down to 26?
Yeah.
Nice.
And 25, it starts clipping and making weird noises.
Yeah. So it likes mid 20s to what, mid 40s?
Yeah. I can play up to 50.
50 hertz. Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
It tops out at 46.
Okay.
My lows are 37. So I'm running I got a Spark 3K on it now. So.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system. 2 Lazer 12-inch subwoofers in his Impreza. Sorry I didn't get very much information about his actual system like I normally do. This is one of my older videos, but I am glad to be able to share it for y'all. So go ahead, give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment. Let him know what you like about his system. Definitely say some positive things. This is from the local show around Macon, Georgia area in 2021. Finally getting to upload it. Actually, this is an older style video, so not going to be the most professional. Sorry about that. But thank y'all for watching. Like the way he has his amplifier staged underneath the box, at least it's not mounted to the box, and having an Impreza style like this, he's able to lay out everything. And he's still got work in progress with the upgrading his electricals he was talking about. But we got to see how it sounds, and I'm going to show y'all the subflex, get some nice outside flex footage inside, and he's actually breaking apart his vehicle a little bit just from this budget-friendly dual 12-inch subwoofer system and unique style Lazer subwoofers. So enjoy the demo, subscribe if you haven't.
is pretty low. You actually play down to 26?
Yeah.
Nice.
And 25, it starts clipping and making weird noises.
Yeah. So it likes mid-20s to what, mid-40s?
Yeah. Oh, I can play up to 50.
50 hertz. Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, it tops out at 46.
Okay.
My lows are 37. So I'm running I got a Spark 3K on it now. So.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.